I'm Dak Lam, and I'm an illustrator and graphic designer based out of Edmonton, Alberta. I would describe my style as very abstract, geometric, and colorful. I tend to gravitate towards really bright, vibrant, primary colors like reds, blues, and yellows. I love creating compositions with really simple shapes and creating depth with texture work. If I'm drawing animals or people, I tend to simplify them down to their most basic forms. So today I'm going to show you how I apply textures to my geometric work. Here I have my artwork, which was originally created in Illustrator and then exported into Photoshop in separate layers. The brush that we're going to be using today is one of Kyle Webster's spatter brushes to create the textures. So the first thing we want to do is select the Move tool, make sure Auto Select is turned on, and then Layer is selected. So this allows me to quickly select the layer that I want to work with just by clicking on it. So let's start with this blue rectangle up here first. So we'll create a new layer on top of it, and then Option click in between the two layers. So this creates a clipping mask, and now everything I do on this layer will be masked by the layer below it. And there we go, some textured geometric artwork.